Hello everyone! I'm finally back with my voice for another Hello Pado video. It's been a while since I made that last video on Venus. A lot has happened and it was hard to get back on track, but it feels great to be back. I hope my better half gave you a great time explaining about the last planet, Venus. Today, as you might have already guessed from the thumbnail image, we're going to draw and pick up some interesting facts about Mars. Again, if you are a planetary expert and you find any flaws in this video, please feel free to leave a comment on my wording, terminologies, or misconceptions. I'm here to learn about the things that I draw and share my process of making art. By the way, if you're curious about where I gather information, I'm reading the NASA science website on solar system exploration on Google. Also, I don't know if you've noticed, but I uploaded a short video of my digital painting showing a quick glimpse of how I practice digital art. I hope you can get on this journey with me, exploring different types of art making, along with my ongoing informative videos like this planet series. Okay, let's start with my color choices. Majority of my colors that I selected are the warm colors in reds, oranges, and yellows. But here are the exact colors: white, dark brown, sienna brown, Spanish orange, orange, and goldenrod. Please enjoy my art process while listening to some of these cool facts. From its reddish color, Mars is nicknamed the Red Planet. The name was given by the ancient Romans to refer to their god of war. The reddish tone represents the oxidation of iron minerals in rocks. If you find this interesting, you might find more interesting facts online about chemical weathering on oxidation. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is about half the size of the Earth. A day on Mars is a little over 24 hours like Earth, but its year is 687 Earth days. Similar to our previous terrestrial planets, Mars has a central core, a rocky surface, and solid crust. The central core is composed of iron, nickel, and sulfur, and the crust is made of iron, magnesium, aluminum, calcium, and potassium. Mars has some interesting topographical features: volcanoes, craters, and canyons, which we think that it used to be a dynamic planet with a rough past. There is a large canyon system called Valles Marineris. As a size comparison, you can imagine this canyon to stretch out from California to New York. That's about 10 times the size of Earth's Grand Canyon. Also, Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system. It is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and its base is about the size of the state of New Mexico. There is a thin atmosphere composed of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon, which makes the atmosphere cold and dry, with extreme temperatures that range from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to minus 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Due to the thin atmosphere, there is less protection for Mars from external objects like asteroids, meteorites, and comets. Also, if you were standing on the surface of Mars on the equator at noon, it would feel like spring at your feet and winter at your head. How cool is that? Mars is one of the most explored planets by NASA and other countries. Through these space explorations on Mars, scientists hope to find more evidence to suggest that there was an abundance of water that used to flow on the rocky surfaces. There are 2 moons called Phobos and Deimos. Scientists speculate that they might crash into the planet and form a dusty ring around Mars in 50 million years. Well, I hope these quick facts and my art process were interesting to you. As always, thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope to see you on the next planet. 안녕!